Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. Our today's tutorial is about the solution of the question asked by Maha. And the question asked by Maha is, Hi, can you please make a tutorial on how to design this? Maha sent me an email and that she wanted to design something like that. So today we are going to give the solution of that particular question, and you guys don't need to worry about the Photoshop tutorials. All the tutorials will be continued one by one. So this is one video question based. So if you have also questions something like that or any kind of questions, please let me know down below in our comment section or by using my other social media handles like Instagram or Facebook. Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics. To design a spiral text effect, we are going to use Adobe Illustrator software because this is the most convenient software to make such kind of designs. For making that design, first we are going to make a circle. So making a circle or designing a circle, you can use the ellipse tool. The shortcut of ellipse tool is L, or you can use that tool by clicking on that. You can right click on this icon and here you can select the ellipse tool. Then make a perfect circle. To make a perfect circle, just press the shift plus alt or option if you are using Mac, and design a perfect circle. We don't need a fill, so that's why we are going to invert fill into like stroke. Here it is. After that, use the type tool. The shortcut of type tool is T, or you can click on this icon to use the type tool in Adobe Illustrator. Then write anything. Suppose no means no. Then copy it, or you can also write on the circle too. Then select the circle again, use the type tool, then press the key alt and click in the circle. Then you can paste your written content which we already copied from, like that no means no, or you can write here, suppose no means no, or whatever you want to write. I'm simply going to copy and paste because we already copied that content. Then I'm going to manage the content height or width. And here we write no means no in a perfect circle. After that, we are going to convert it into outline. Now this is just a simple text, we can change it. Now we are going to convert the text into outline. For that, just select the text and click on properties, and under the properties you will find the create outlines. I'm going to create outlines. Now this is object, or these are the objects, these are not a text anymore. After that, go to effect, distort and transform. Simply click on transform, and here is the magic of that. Now let's reduce the size of that particular circle. Suppose 80% horizontal or 80% vertical. Here it is. Or we can manage it as per our needs. Suppose 80, yeah, 82 and 82% is a perfect for now. Now let's change the angle of that too. Let's say this. Then make the copies of that particular effect or that particular object, and here you can decide how many copies do you want to this. And don't forget to click on a preview button so that you can see what is going on while using that transform effect. Now I'm going to multiple copies, and here we use the 35 copies. Then simply click on OK, and our effect is ready. Here you can find it look like an illusion. Wow. And our text effect is ready. You can also do it in different colors. Now let's try in our different colors. And suppose I'm going to write no more. No. Now I'm going to make a quick tutorial of that by using the colors. I'm going to change the color of no. Suppose it's a red, and change the means color too. You can give the colors as per your needs or as per your requirements of design. Now I'm going to cut or copy this effect and make a quick circle for the better understanding. I'm using this shortcut L and make a here I make a circle, and I'm going to paste my text which I write. I'm going to decrease the size of text. Then I'm going to convert it into an outline. Create an outline for that. Click OK. Then simply effects. Here you'll find the last effect in Adobe Illustrator. This is the first feature of that. We can find the last effect and simply click on that. We can use all the features. But for revision, I'm going to use again that tool, that is distort and transform. Under that, click on transform tool and simply reduce the size. Suppose 82. Let's try. And 82 vertical. Then simply change the angle of that. Then like make the copies of that. Here's the magic going on. And we made a 50 copies. Then simply click OK, and here you can check our text effect is ready. Text spiral effect is ready. Isn't it really easy? If you have any question regarding that, then please let me know. And dear Maha, hope it is clear to you. If you have any question, please let me know. And if you guys also have any kind of question, then don't forget to ask your questions. Because right now you have questions and I have experience. I would definitely try to solve your problems. So whenever you have any kind of question, then don't forget to ask me that your particular question, and in next video we'll meet with same Photoshop tutorials. And if you have any question in that too, then you can also ask such kind of questions too. If you have any kind of question related to graphics, then please let me know. I hope it's clear to you. It's really easy, and after designing this, don't forget to show your work to me. I would definitely love to check your work. So I hope you like this video and you learned something from this video. At the end of this video, as same as the old days, I would like to say that don't forget to subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel and share it with your friends so that they can also learn something from that. So like, share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.